space with this space-saving folding treadmill. This walking or running treadmill can virtually fit in any room or office. The space-saving design carries a small footprint. Simply unfold and hit start to get your workout going. This treadmill is designed with the motor mounted below to create more running space. The powerful motor has a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour. Walk for those lighter workout days, or up your tempo by running. See all your gains and losses on the multi-display backlit console. Simple to use buttons to quickly start and stop. An auto pause feature so you won't lose your workout progress. This treadmill has built-in transportation wheels for portability and folds easily for storage. Whatever your fitness goals, this space-saving treadmill will get you there.